Hello my friends, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to install this built-in microwave in your cabinet. What I am about to show you is a generic installation for a built-in microwave. First things first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Step number one, you will need your cutout dimensions. Your width, your height, and the depth of the microwave. If you don't have your cutout dimensions, I can help you how to figure it out. The importance of the cutout dimensions, it allows you to figure out if the microwave that you want will fit in the existing cabinets, if you need to make some adjustments to make it fit, or if you're building new cabinets for your microwave. This is the trim kit for my microwave. We are going to determine the width and the height of the cutout dimensions. I'm going to flip this on its backside. The width and height is very easy to determine. So the width will be the width of the microwave and the height will be the height of the microwave. So the width for this project will be 24.5 width. And for the height will be 16.25. 16.25 is bigger than the height of my microwave. Plus, you will need at least additional 1 inch above and additional 1 inch on the bottom for air circulation. You need the coolant to come into the microwave and hot air to release out from above the microwave. Now let's double check the measurements for the microwave. So the width should be 24.5. So 24.5 is big enough for the microwave to fit. Now for the height, I said 16.25. And the actual height of this microwave is about 13.25. So I do have at least 1 inch above and on the bottom, so it will fit. Now let's figure out the depth. The depth will be at least 18 inches. So my cutout dimensions will be 24.5 for width, for height will be 16.25, and depth a minimum of 18 inches. So this box, this cabinet box, is a minimum depth of 24. So essentially, this cabinet is just a big box for your microwave. You can make this box as big as you want, just as long as your microwave can fit. Let's double check our cutout dimensions. 24.5 for width, 16.25 for a height, and the depth we have 24 inches. The box itself can be as big as you want, but most importantly is the front base, this front cover. It has to be accurate to the cutout dimensions. You don't want it too big where it has gaps out of your trim, and you do not want it too small that your microwave cannot fit, or there won't be enough air ventilation. I'm going to put my mounting brackets. This is where the microwave sits on top. I don't have mine. This the microwave I got, it didn't come with any, so I customized my own where it allows my microwave to sit a little higher, and then the airflow, the cool air, can come in from the bottom. Now this is what the microwave looks like. The microwave is sitting on a mounting support, which allows the microwave to be raised, and then the airflow of cool air can come in to help ventilation to cool down the microwave, and then the hot air rises and the hot air is able to come out from above. When you do your cutout dimensions, the base is the bottom of your cutout. You remember that. So there's not much room on the sides, left to right. But more important is the air circulation from top and bottom. Now we are ready to put on the trim. These days, the trim kit comes with special mounting brackets and mounting clips where you can't see the screws that secures the trim kit, like where is shown in mine, on one in each corner. This is how you install a built-in microwave. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.